Hi students, welcome to our first topic, Introduction to Computer. These are the fourth video of this topic. Just one in previous three video we get information about what is computer, input, process, output, then parts of computer, then some deep information about all parts of computer. Now in this video we get information about computer memory. Just once a computer memory is the most important and very necessary parts of computer. The device used to store data for a short term or a long term. Means this device used to store a data for a short term or long term is called memory. Computer memory is classified as follow. Dear students, in our mind, the brain is store the our data. Okay, but in our computer system, a computer memory store a data. In our computer system, there are two types of memory. First, primary memory and secondary memory. It's also called a permanent memory. Secondary memory also called a permanent memory. Okay, just on in this chart we see a computer memory. There are two types of memory: primary, secondary. In primary memory, there are two types, means RAM and ROM. In secondary, hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD. Okay, these are the main structure of computer memory. Now I will show the image of RAM. Okay, these are the RAM, means random access memory. Okay, this memory is a temporary memory. Okay, we see later, but I show the image. Now next, primary memory, ROM, that read only memory. Okay, these are the primary memory. Now next, secondary memory. Secondary memory also called a permanent memory. Permanent means they can store the data permanently. Okay, first, hard disks. These are the hard disks. Hard disk is a permanent memory. They are stored a large amount of data. Then floppy disks. These are the floppy disks. And CD means compact disc. This is a like our CD. Then DVD, digital versatile disc. Okay, these are the secondary or permanent storage device. Okay, now dear students, we get information properly. First, primary memory. This memory means a internal memory of computer. It is the main memory. It is of two types. Dear student, primary memory is also called a internal memory. Internal means inbuilt memory. Okay, in this memory there are two types of memory. First, RAM means random access memory. This memory temporarily holds the data and instruction. When the computer is switched off, everything in this get erased. This memory stored data temporarily. Means when our computer start, then they can load the information. But when you switch off the computer, then all data will be erased. Means finish. Okay. Then next types of primary memory is ROM. ROM means read only memory. This memory permanently store important instruction which should not get erased or changed even when the computer switch off. The instruction remain in the memory. This one, in this memory, the instruction or important information they can store. Okay. Then secondary memory. It is used to permanently store user program as well as raw and process data. In this memory, user can store a permanent data or process data. After that, we finish our work, we store a data in secondary memory, for example hard disk, floppy disk, CD or DVD. RAM and ROM store a permanent, not permanent, but they store a temporary data. For example, they load some application. This application run temporarily. After that, we can store or save in a secondary memory. Both the program and data can then be rapidly used whenever required. Example, floppy disk, hard disk and compact disk, digital versatile disk, that is DVD. This memory we can use whenever required. Okay, these are the main difference of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is the main memory and secondary memory is the secondary memory, means they can store data permanently, and in primary memory we can store data temporarily. Okay, now next, types of computer. Just one in this point we get information types of computer. Okay, just one, the development of computer brought many changes in its speed, working and size. Accordingly, computer are classified into different types. Based on the development of computer means the computer has developed as per requirement. For example, students can use a simple computer, engineer can use a very high performance computer, scientists use very large amount of data they can store. This means the different uses of computer, so that the computer also use a different level, so it require a very high speed computer system. In our computer system there are some types of computer. Supercomputer, this computer is a very high speed computer. I will show the image of supercomputer. These are the Param 8000, our Indian supercomputer. This computer built by Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. Then mainframe computer, this is the second largest computer, this super mainframe computer. Then mini computer, these are the very small computer. Okay, then personal computer, you are using a desktop computer, that is a personal computer. Then laptop, you know, laptop computer. Then plum tom, they are the very small, but as a compare laptop is a very small. Then tablet, these are the tablet. Okay, next one, these are the types of different, means there are different types of computer. The personal and laptop computer have become very common. Dear students, you know, in our daily life we use PC, that is personal computer, and laptop computer. It is designed for general use and can be used by a single person, means this computer they can use by single person. PC are commonly used everywhere become of its small size and high speed. The computer which is used in school in a personal computer. Okay, just on you at home we use a computer, that is a personal computer. Laptop computer are similar to personal computer but are much lighter and smaller. Laptop can be carried anywhere, but different is laptop we can carry everywhere. Okay, these are the main types of computer. Okay, I hope dear students you understand these 2 points, means computer memory and types of computer. Okay, in next video we get information about feature of computer and use of computer. This one you can revise this video and watch again and again. Thank you.